Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So setup's not as clear on this as it is on the S&P 500 at the moment. The S&P 500 had a pretty decent bit of structure. What I do like about this is the diversions here. So there's a previous low, there's a current low, and you can see engulfing bar, inside bar on the 8-hour, oscillators crossing over at the moment. This to me is pretty bullish, and it's a bounce off the 155 EMA. We need to get above the structure here at 36,250 for me to be full on bullish, and we also are in a little bit of a, not really a range, it was a range, but it's broken to the downside, and normally when that happens you typically see the higher probability of price coming back into the range, or either creating a bigger range or alternatively breaking out to the upside. So bit of a 50-50 call on this at the moment. So looking at the 3-hour, you should be looking for opportunity to buy according to the oscillators. According to the moving averages, you should be looking to short. So, you know, it's kind of a coin toss type scenario at the moment. Looking at the hour, the trend is still down. Look at the crossover here of the oscillators. So that is still down. You have a little bit of structure here, which looks like we are rejecting, which is 36,123. Now, for me, I'm looking at the bigger picture, and this pattern that we had here, piercing pattern, range bar, and then 3 solid green bars at the moment, you know, that to me is pretty bullish. So I would be looking for structure. The problem is that we don't really have much structure to the downside. I think this is the closest bit of structure, and then you have a fairly strong bit of structure down here. So if I come back to this, you'll see, you know, that bit of structure we bounced off. This one we didn't really get to. So yeah, I would be looking at the pullback and see where the pullback comes to. If we start getting bullish price action, then I would be looking at opportunities to be long. Bear in mind, you've got noise coming out tomorrow. So looking at the 15-minute, a little bit of a bit different picture, and this is where a lot of traders get caught. So, you know, you look at the hour, it's bearish. You look at the 15-minute, it's kind of looking bullish. You've got a crossover here. It looks like you're finding support. But bottom line is, on all of them, is pretty straightforward. You need a break above 36,123 for the trend to even, for you, well, not only for the trend, but for you to even start thinking that the trend has reversed. And that, remember, the trend is down at the moment on the hour. There it is there, it's down. So you're looking for an opportunity to see where the trend is reversed, and obviously I'm looking to climb in with the bigger trend, which is up. So yeah, it's wait and see. Basically we'll boil down to 36,123. We need to get above it, test it. That gives us the opportunity to test the top of the channel at 36,200. We'll get above the high of yesterday, which is the ultimate, which is up there. Then we have a trend reversal. Okay, so for now, got a bit of a flag brewing here. It does look like we're going to get pullback. I would expect a pullback either into this zone here at 3594, 3600. If that gives way, then you're looking somewhere down here at 35,856 area. So depending on what happens on Europe today, Europe might just be flat, or Europe might just follow through on what happened yesterday, late yesterday afternoon. And other than that, wait for the for the US Open, and then we'll get in on this. So for me, the S&P 500 is offering a little bit of a better setup, as well as the DAX, to be honest, than the Dow Jones. So I think I'll leave the Dow Jones alone today. We'll watch the other two. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.